Hi everyone, hope you all are fine and doing well. Before I move on to some other topic, I thought this time I must come up with a lesson where I can remove the doubts of many kids as they find it confusing as how the letters C and G make two sounds in some words. So here in this lesson I'll teach when and how they make two sounds, and I hope it will be interesting for you, so watch it till the end. And let's start. Now Filza, we are going to learn about the two consonants that has got two sounds. Okay, so this is the first consonant letter. Can you tell me its name? What is its name? What is this alphabet?
C.
C. So C is a consonant. It's not a vowel, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah. So C has got two sounds. You know, you are aware of one of the sound. Can you tell me the sound of the C? What is the sound of C?
K.
K. Yes, very good. K. But C has got one more sound, that is S also. K is its hard sound, like K. K makes K sound, yeah? And C also makes K sound. Yes, but this K sound is its hard sound, and it comes when it will have A, O and U along with it in a word. Okay, it makes hard sound when it is with A, O or U mostly, or sometimes when it is with other letters also, leaving E, I and Y. When it is with E, I and Y, it makes the soft sound as S sound, S sound, yeah? Sometimes, most of the time you make S sound, I heard. So, it has got two sound. C has got two sound. One is the K sound and one it got the soft sound. Okay?
Yeah.
Now today we are going to learn both the hard sound of C and the soft sound of C words. Very good. So now, when it is with A, O and U vowel, we have how many vowels? We have 5 vowels. That is A, E, I, O and U. So when it is with A, O and U, it makes the hard sound K, and it is with E, I and Y, it makes the soft sound as S. Okay. Now here Filza you have, what is C-A-T?
Cat.
Cat. Yes, it has got the hard sound like K because it is with A. Yes, and C-O-O-K.
Cook.
Cook. Very good, because you have got O here, it makes K sound. Cook. C-A-K-E.
Cake.
Cake, because it has got A sound, it makes cake. K, the sound of C, K, the sound of A, E, A, and the sound of K, K. Cake.
Cake.
Now C-O-M-B.
Comb.
Comb. Very good. C-A-R-D.
Good.
What is sound? What is C-A-R?
Good.
Car, and the sound of D, D. So card.
Cat.
C-O-R-N.
Corn.
Corn. Corn.
Corn.
C-O-R-N. Corn.
Corn.
O-R-R. Corn.
Corn.
C-A-M-P.
Camp.
Camp. Yes, very good. Camp. C-A-M-P.
Camp.
Camp. C-A-S-T.
Test.
Cast. Very good. C-O-L-D.
Cold.
Cold. Very good. C-U-T-E.
Cute.
Very good. U-E makes the sound as U here. So it is cute. Now, very good. Now look here. You have soft C words. Now here it's going to make S sound when it is with I, E and Y. Okay? Now tell me, what is C-I-T-Y?
City.
City. Very good. C-E-L-L. Cell. Very good. F-A-C-E.
Face.
Very good. Face. Now, because it is with E, the C has got S sounds. Face. C-E-N-T.
Center.
Scent.
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 P-E-N-C-I-L. What is P-E-N?
Pen.
Pen. C-I-L. Sil. Pen.
Scent.
Pencil. Because it is with I, it makes the sound as S.
Yeah,
Pencil.
pencil.
Yes. What is M-I-C-E?
Mice.
Mice. Very good. I-C-E.
Eyes.
Eyes. Very good. I-E makes the sound as I, and the C makes the sound yes sir because it is with E. So it's going to make the sound eyes.
Eye.
V-O-I-C-E.
Voice.
Voice. C-E-N-T-R-E.
Turf.
Center. C-E-N-T-R-E. Center. Now what is J-U-I-C-E?
Juice.
Juice. Very good.
I want juice.
Huh? So here you have seen that when it is with I, E, it makes the sound as sa. But even I must include a word like cycle. Here you will come to know, like bicycle. Yeah. So here when it is with Y, it makes the sound as sa. But when it is with other letter, as I said, either with A, O or U or any other letter, it makes the sound as K. That is the hard sound. Cycle. That's why we say here city center. Sir sound is coming in some words. Yes, I hope you got it. Actually, I prepared these words only with the 4 letter as I taught them before. So I don't want to extend the length of the word. That is why I used only the 4 letter word here. Next we will study about the hard and the soft sound of G. Okay, even the G has got 2 sounds. Sometimes G makes J sound and sometimes G makes G sound. Yes, but you know the sound G, yeah? That's called as the hard sound of G. So this hard soft sound of G comes with the vowel A, O, U or any other letter. But when it comes with E, I and Y in a word, it makes J sound like you have J, yeah? J sound. Fine, Fiza? Okay, now let us learn the words. Hard G sound of words. Now here G is with A, so it is going to make G sound. Fine? Look here now. What is G-A-S?
Gas.
Gas. Very good. G-O-A-T? Goat. Very good. Goat. It is with O. Goat. O-A makes the sound O. Goat. G-O-O-D?
Good.
Good. G-O-O-D?
Good.
Good. Yes, good. G-U-M? Gum. The sound of U? Gum. So when it is with U, A, O and U, it makes G sound. Now G-O-O-S-E?
Good.
Goose. Ooh, goose. G-O-O-S-E?
Good.
Goose. G-A-M-E?
Good.
G-A-M-E?
Game.
Game. Yes. Here A-E makes the sound A. Game. G-L-A-S-S?
Glass.
Glass. Very good. Glass. G-L-U-E?
Low.
Glue. Glue. U-E makes the sound U. Glue. G-O-A-L?
Good.
Goal.
Goal.
See here. G-O-A-L?
Good.
Goal.
Goal.
The sound of O-A makes O sound. Goal. G-I-F-T?
Gift.
Gift. Very good.
Yeah.
Now, we are going to learn about the soft G sound. Yeah? It makes J sound now. Now, when it comes with Y, E and I, it makes the sound J. Okay? Now, tell me, what is G? Here it's going to make J sound. Soft sound of G. G-E-Y-M. What is G-Y-M? Gym. Very good. G-E-R-M. Germ. E-R-R. Germ. W-A-G-E.
Veg.
Very good. Wage. So it came. So this G came with E. So it's going to make the sound as J. Wage. Wage is nothing but the salaries that is given to a lower level of employees. Like you have laborers or the one cleaners or watchman. Low level of workers will get the wage. Okay. Now what is A-G-E?
Egg.
Age. C-A-G-E.
Six.
Cage. Now the sound of C is K because it came with A. Cage.
Cage.
O-R-A-N-G-E.
Range.
Orange. It starts with O sound. Orange.
Orange.
Yes, orange. So it came with E. G came with it. So it's going to make the sound as J. Orange.
Orange.
G-E-M. Gem.
Gem.
It came with E. So it's going to make the sound as J. Gem.
Gem.
H-U-G-E.
Huge.
Huge. Very good. Huge. Huge, Yani? What do you mean by huge? Big.
Big.
Very big. Huge.
Animals.
Yes, elephant is a huge animal. Okay, now tell me P-A-G, dinosaur is a huge animal. Now come on, tell me P-A-G-E.
Pet.
Page. M-A-G-I-C. What is M-A? Ma. G-I-C?
Magic.
Magic. Got it? Good, Filza.
Yay.
After practicing the words with the soft and hard sound of G and C, now I'm going to play a game with her so that she can be perfect. So let's start now. So Filza, this is the bingo game. You know how we are going to play this game? I made some words here. You are going to pick up one word, one sheet at a time, one paper at a time. Okay?
Yeah.
One time you need to pick up, the other time Mama will pick up. Okay? So Mama is a teammate for you now. You're going to open this sheet
Yeah.
and then you're going to read a word and you have to cross mark on it. Once you get three words in a row, either vertically or horizontally, you are going to win.
This is it.
And if Mama will get 3 words in a row, she will win. Okay? I'll show you how to play that game. Come on, let's start now. Which color you want, Filza? Purple or orange? Which one?
This.
You can choose anyone. Yeah, that's great. Take it then. Take your. Now take it. This is your turn now, Filza. Come on.
Go fast, Filza. You need to be fast. What you got? O-R-A-N-G-E. Orange. O-R-A-N-G-E. Orange. So where is orange? You got it here, orange. You can keep a cross mark like this. Make a cross mark. What is Filza? Orange. Now Mama's turn. It's Mama's turn. Oh, I must close my eyes. C-A-K-E. Cake. Very good. So I'm going to use my purple color. Cake. This is my color. Cake. Why blue? Okay, now next. Yours turn. C-O-O-K. Cook. Where is cook? Cook is here. Okay, now next. I'll take this. It's fine. G-E-R-M. So it's like jump. G-E-R-M. Jump. So here I am the jump. Okay, now next is like your turn now. G-O-O-D. Good. G-O-O-D. Good. Good. Come on. Where is good here? Good. G-O-O-D. Good. Okay. Now it's Mama's turn. C-O-M-B. Comb. What do you think, Filza? C-O-M-B. Comb. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, make it fast, Filza. G-O-A-L. Goal. So where is goal? Goal. This is glue. Goal. Here, goal. Okay. Now I'll pick up. P-E-N-C-I-L. Pencil. Pencil. Here I am with pencil. Next one. P-A-G-E. Page. Yes, page. Here is the page word. Now, my turn. Oh, it was C-A-G-E. Cage. Cage. So where is cage? Oh, let me look. Where is cage? Here I am with cage. What is C-U-T-E? Cute. Yes, where is cute? Here. Come on, it's fast. Yeah, cute. Here, cute. Where is that? Now my turn. Who is going to win, Filza? I don't know. M-A-G-I-C. Magic. Yeah, it's your turn. C-I-T-Y. City. Oh no, Filza. You won. City. City. Come on. You won, Filza. Filza won. City, orange, and cook. Bingo. B-I-N-G-O. And bingo was the same as it's Filza then. Come on, next. Let me please.
Last is left. What's that now? We have CARD. What is CARD? Card. Yes. So it's for Mama. Mama also went here. Scent, germ, and card. So one time, Mama. Bingo. BINGO. And bingo was his Nemo. So here 2 times Filza won and 1 time Mama won here. So who is the winner?
Me.
Filza. Filza is the winner. Yes. Okay, that's how you can play such type of games
I love
with the
play.
kids. By that way, they can learn the words as well. Even this is actually a game for playing 5 words in a row. But as she is small, I did it with 3 words in a row. So that's the end of today's lesson. Hope you like it. And if you have learned at least a single thing out of this lesson, please do like. And don't forget to share and subscribe to my channel. I'll surely come up with more such learning videos to make your kids read quickly. So keep watching and take care. Goodbye.